Let us start inorganic chemistry, periodic classification of elements. Neat question type. Let us see the question. Correct order of second ionization energy of carbon, nitrogen and oxygen and fluorine is. Regarding ionization energy. Now, for which elements ionization energy asked, we will see. One is carbon. Carbon electronic configuration will say carbon electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2s2 2p2. It is carbon electronic configuration. Now let us see first ionization. First ionization in the sense one electron will be removed from carbon, so we will get C plus. So electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p1, helium 2s2 2p2. Now let us see second ionization energy. Second ionization energy in the sense second electron we are removing. So on removing second electron, we will get to C2 plus. The configuration is helium 2s2 2p is 0. 2p is 0. This is for a carbon. Next we will see for a next element given is nitrogen. For nitrogen electronic configuration, we will see for nitrogen electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p3. 2s2 2p3. First ionization energy. Let us remove one electron from outer shell of nitrogen. So we will get helium 2s2 2p2. Next, second ionization energy. In the second ionization energy, we are getting N2 plus. The configuration of N2 plus is helium 2s2 2p1. Next element is oxygen. Oxygen electronic configuration, let us see. Helium 2s2 2p4. 2s2 2p4. First ionization energy in the sense one electron we have to remove from oxygen, we will get O plus. For O plus electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p is 3. 2p is 3. Then second ionization energy, let us remove one electron from O plus, we will get O2 plus. Now configuration is helium 2s2 2p2. Next last element given is fluorine. Last element given is fluorine. That electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p5. 2s2 2p5. First ionization energy. Now let us remove one electron from fluorine, we will get F plus. The electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p4. 2s2 2p4. Second ionization energy, let us remove one electron from F plus. So we are getting F2 plus. Electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p3. We have written a electronic configuration for all the elements which are given. First ionization energy as well as second ionization energy. Now they are asking what is the order of second ionization energy. Now we have to say what is the order of second ionization energy, we have to say. Let us see the place of second ionization energy. In this second ionization energy means we have to remove electron from here. We have to remove electron from here. Now C plus is having 2p1 partially filled configuration. N plus is having 2p2 partially filled configuration. O plus is having 2p3 off filled configuration. O plus is having 2p3 off filled configuration. F plus is having 2p4, that is partially filled configuration. Out of these four, if you see, which is having stable configuration in the sense 2p3. 2p3 is a off-filled configuration. So O plus is having stable configuration out of these four. So since it is having stable configuration, removal of electron from this requires more energy when compared to these. So that second ionization energy, order of second ionization energy, if you see, oxygen is having highest value. Oxygen is having highest value. Okay. Next, rest we will take C plus in C plus 2p1 partially filled, N plus 2p2 partially filled, F plus 2p4 partially filled. So C plus N plus F plus, all these three have partially filled configuration. Therefore, we will say with respect to atomic number, the atomic number of fluorine is highest when compared to carbon and nitrogen. Therefore, fluorine is having second ionization energy higher. Second ionization energy higher for fluorine. Next we will see. Next, carbon and nitrogen. Now nitrogen, if you see 2p2 partially filled configuration, carbon if you see 2p1 partially filled configuration, F plus if you see 2p4 partially filled configuration. Now F plus N plus C plus, all three have 2p partially filled. Now in the second ionization energy, you are removing one electron, you are getting 2p3 here off filled configuration. In nitrogen, partially filled configuration. In carbon, 2p is not having any electron. Therefore, out of carbon, nitrogen and fluorine, if you see, fluorine second ionization energy is more than nitrogen and carbon, because in second ionization energy, fluorine gets 2p3 off filled. Okay. Next, we will see carbon and nitrogen. In the carbon and the nitrogen, if you see, nitrogen is having partially filled 2p2, that is giving 2p1. Carbon C plus is having partially filled 2p, that is giving a 2p empty. That is giving 2p empty. Now nitrogen and carbon, which is having, in which case second ionization energy more, in the sense nitrogen atomic number is more when compared to carbon, so that nitrogen is having higher second ionization energy when compared to carbon. So we can say nitrogen greater than carbon. So what is the answer for this question? This question answer is what, in the sense second option. Second option will be the answer. Oxygen greater than fluorine, greater than nitrogen, greater than carbon.